We bought this originally as a cake saver, but we want something that's super versatile because we only want to buy one. So this is basically a 6-in-1. So this is a chip and dip holder here. You can put dip in the middle, chips, vegetables, things like that around the sides. You could turn the lid upside down. Now it's a punch bowl with fruit around the sides, which is also really nice. And then the other thing you could do is you could flip this upside down like this, and it's all smooth and flat. And then this is your cake or bread holder, and your lid goes on like this. So this allows it to be super versatile and only need to buy one basically cake saver, pastry saver, chip bowl, platter, instead of having to buy one of each. So that's why we really like this. We've used this a lot for parties in the summer, outdoor gatherings, barbecues, because we were able to do so much with this. And it's also really solid glass. It's not thin, flimsy glass. It's really, really solid. It is still glass though, so you don't want to drop it. What I like about this is they add this rubber gasket so it doesn't crack. And then on here, you could see these are the little feet that hold it a little bit off the table, but also this keeps the lid in the right place as well. So it's really well thought out. And then as you can see here, it looks like these are divots where the glass is, but it's actually in fact smooth all the way across. So it's so easy to clean because of that. There's no little crevices that stuff could get in and get stuck.